have just switched off the transmitter, as you can see, and it's trying to do return to launch since we have not set any landing settings yet. I think it's having trouble landing, but it's kind of loitering around. And I can see the wind is very much high, and still it's holding that thing. That's very impressive. It's automatically holding, and you can see the transmitter is turned off, and it's, I think the battery, how much is battery? Is it?
15.5.
I think we can just see how it goes. See, it's very good right now. So the plane, how stable is it? You can see we are at home location, and it's just circling around with 40-meter radius right now. It's very impressive.
20, 5, 4.
Wow.
Very good. Very
Smooth.
good.